Hello, Mrs. Swope's class. I'm really sorry I couldn't be in school with you today. I hate to miss a class with you all since I don't get to see you too much. But as you know, just as a friendly reminder, your Colonial Regions quiz will be on Thursday when I come back. I know it says Tuesday right here, but it's going to be on Thursday, okay? The substitute will go over that review with you. She'll pass it out. Hopefully you completed it for homework today. And she'll take the time to go over the answers with you so you're prepared for your quiz, which is going to be on Thursday. When I come back, and your website is also going to be on Thursday. Remember, doing your website is going to really help you prepare for this Colonial Regions quiz that's coming on Thursday. Okay. I would like to give you more time since I know my class had like one extra class than you did, so this is your catch-up day to work on the website. And I just wanted to quickly remind you that your rubric is right here. Again, I just clicked on classwork and I clicked on the Google Site rubric. And if I open it, I can see that all of my points are here and what I have to do for each page. Again, a lot of you are focusing on this videos thing, but what's really important is that you're filling out all the information on the colonies. Please don't forget to use your worksheet that we completed in class to help you complete your website. If you are finished with your Google site, and I know that's the case for some of you, and some of you will most likely finish today, what you want to do is go to your stream, and you can either listen to the colony song or play this colony game, because that's going to help you with your Colonial Regions quiz, because on the quiz, again, it's going to be super similar to the review I gave you. You will have to be able to identify which colony belongs where, just like your first quiz, except I'm going to give you a word bank this time, so it should be a little bit easier. Okay? Again, this is your work time, so if you have any questions, please ask the substitute after, well, hopefully she's already gone over the review with you. But again, please make sure you're checking this Google Site rubric. One final thought, and I know this is a pretty quick video, please ask Mrs. Swope if you can have some extra time to work on your website, only if you have free time. Again, it's due on Thursday. If you have any questions or concerns, have your parents at home send me an email, okay? Go ahead and get started. Work hard, take your time. Um, yeah, and I will see you on Thursday, I guess. Okay, have a good day.